Today I am shopping at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. Look at this little apple, that's very interesting. What's this? Some greenery. Ooh, I love these yellow flowers. Love putting those out for spring. See some baskets in here. Oh look, this one has foam already in it. Here's a little watercolor painting, but it's not really my style. These trees look like huge leaves right here, and then there's a bunch of Christmas stuff, so I'll probably look through this, see if I can find some good vintage ornaments. I really like the little wooden ones. It's a bunch of apple ornaments. Oh, this is cute, with this little angel. Here's a lantern. I don't know, it's plastic, it's very basic, there's nothing special about it, so I don't know, I think I'm gonna leave this here. Oh, look at this piece right here. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is definitely going in my cart. I see some little hanging basket. That's cute. There's a set of them. Oh, these would look so pretty hanging on a white wall. It's looking very spring in my cart today. Ooh, here is a heavy wooden candlestick. Definitely never pass up on those. You can use them as candlesticks. You can use them as risers. There's so many options. It's a little wreath. It's a little basket. Let's see what else is down here. Says, I am the bread of life. It's a little aluminum pan, but seen better days. I think I'm going to leave that here. Some little loaf pans. Here's a little floral print, but it's very faded. Here's some little alabaster birds. Unfortunately, this one is broken. This one's in pretty good shape though. Maybe I'll just get him. I always love getting birds. They just look so great all over your house. What is this? What is this? Ooh, this is a little needlepoint piece. Look how pretty this is. I'm gonna get that. Be great in a little boys' room or a little hunting camp. A little chalkboard. And oh, look, it has this a little piece right here. It has some hooks. That's really cute. Look at this doll. It looks like a little handmade Cabbage Patch doll. It's missing its thumb though, and one of its toes. She's really cute. I love the colors on her. Looking for any tags. See anything? I don't know. I wish she didn't have damage. Oh look, her hand's messed up here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave her. Maybe somebody else that sews will hopefully rescue her. I see something that I am definitely interested in. Look at this roll of fencing. If y'all haven't seen my YouTube video, I took this fencing and I made the most beautiful rustic wire cloches. It's one of my favorite designs that I have ever done. So I feel like this is a sign that I should get this and make some more. Looks like they have some other stuff over here. What's this? It's a little, some kind of wreath. Here's a magazine holder, but it's very, I don't know, it's very rickety. This cute, it's cute, but it's not really my style. So I think I'm gonna leave all of this stuff here, but I'm definitely gonna get the wire fencing. I get excited when I see a picture and the back looks like this. So let's see if we like the front. Nope, it's two floral prints. Doesn't look like anything exciting or really even that old. So I'm gonna leave that here. They brought out some new bins, and y'all are never going to believe what I found. Jadeite. And these pieces are beautiful. I love the pattern on them. This one has a pretty floral pattern, and look at the kind of plaid striped on here. They definitely need to be cleaned up, but I've never found this before, so that's super exciting. And look at this beautiful picture. It also needs to be cleaned up. It has a W on the bottom. It is beautiful. I love this piece. And I also found this cute little painting. How adorable is this little winter scene? I love that. And then I also found this. I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. Thinking about putting it on top of my fridge and put some vintage books and some cookbooks. So this side is missing whatever piece goes there. It's just like a little decorative wooden piece. So I think I'm actually just going to take it off, and I think that looks better. But I love the scalloped edge of it. I don't find these often, but I really like them. They have a very pretty vintage look, and I think that will look great in my wood kitchen. I mean, in my white kitchen with this wood tone. They are rolling out some new bins right now. So as soon as they're done, I'm going to go dig through those. Found two things in the new bin that they brought out. I got a Barbie for Ren. She's very into Barbies right now, so I'm gonna give that to her. And then I found this wooden bowl. It's in pretty rough shape. It needs to be cleaned up, but I'm only gonna clean it up slightly because I actually love the look and the age on this piece of wood. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I have a customer that needs this. I know she's gonna want it. Y'all are never gonna believe what somebody just brought to me. This is absolutely beautiful. He said, this looks like something you would like, and he is so right. Also got this cute little basket right here. That's for our plant. This part comes up. And then I see something down here in the bins I wanna look at. Wow, these are heavy. Somebody painted them yellow. They were probably brass. Yes, they were. But I think I'm gonna get them and maybe spray paint them black or something. They're really heavy and nice, so we're gonna rescue them. Look at this spring theme I have going on in the cart today. That's so weird because it is like really cold outside. What is the weather like where y'all are at today? Maybe we should keep them yellow. They actually look really pretty. I like, you know, the brass coming through. I don't know, y'all leave a comment. Let me know if I should repaint these or I should just leave them yellow like this. Same sweet man that brought me that amazing spoon just gave me this stuff as well. It's an old wooden clamp. I'm not sure how old it is. It has the Craftsman logo burned on here. That's a very cool piece. And then look at this saw. That would look so cool hanging on a wall. I'm gonna show these to my husband, and if he doesn't want them, then I'll put them up for sale, but love these. I just found this piece in the bins, and I thought it was very interesting looking, and then I saw it had a marking on the bottom, and apparently this is like a vintage haul piece. It's not really my style, but it's definitely worth some money, so I think I'm just gonna get it and see how it does on the website also. I love this, and I was gonna get it for myself, but it is cracked right there, so I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna put this in my cart. It also goes with the spring theme I have going on today. They are rolling out new carts right now. I think I'm gonna dig through these and then I'm gonna head out because I have a cart full. So I did not find anything in the new bin, so I think I'm gonna head out for the day. It's definitely been a great day shopping at the Goodwill Bins. Y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite piece that I found today, and I will put a total on the screen for y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Almost forgot about the roll of fencing. I had put it up by the register, so I figured I'd go ahead and give y'all a total out here in the parking lot. I spent $18 today at the Goodwill Bins, so definitely a great deal. Great shopping trip. I will see y'all in the next one.